Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you also facing crashing or lagging or not launching error while playing the game RoboCop Rogue City Unfinished Business? If yes, then go through this video and find out the best solutions to play the game smoothly. So let's move ahead. So the first solution is to check system requirements of the game. So for that you simply go to Steam, search for the game, or if you have installed the game, check it, go below, and here you can find the system requirements for your PC. Check them and then try to play the game. Hopefully this will resolve the issue. If not, the second method is suggested is to restart your PC once. For that, simply go to start option, click on power and then choose restart option. This will restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, relaunch the game and check if this works for you. If not, simply run the game as an admin. So for that, simply go to the library section where you have selected your game or downloaded the game. Now select the game, right click on properties, go to the install files and then click on browse option. Here I have not downloaded the game, so I am showing the methods so that you can easily go through them and fix the issue. So coming back to the methods, simply click on browse and this will take you to the folder where your game is actually installed. Simply select the application, right click on it and click on properties. Select compatibility tab and click on run this program as an administrator. After that, click on apply and OK. If not, then go to compatibility mode. Select this, run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows and then click on apply and then on OK. Now check if it works for you. If not, then you need to allow the game through Firewall. So simply go to the search bar, click on or search for Windows Defender Firewall. Next, click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, add it and then click on browse. You can find the app exe file, simply add it to the list and then tick mark on both private and public boxes. After that, launch the game and see if this solution has resolved the issue. If not, it's time to check and update Windows to the latest version. For that, go to the search option, find check for updates. This will directly move or take you to the Windows update folder. Here you can check if any update is available. If there is any update, simply click it to the latest version. Once done, relaunch the game and check if it's working for you. The next solution is to check and update graphics card. For that, I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through them and update your drivers according to your PC, or you can simply go to the search bar, type device manager. Next, click on display adapters. Here you can see your graphics card. Simply select and right click on update driver option. After that, click on search automatically for drivers. It will search for the best drivers if not installed, and then after this, check if this method has resolved the issue. that you are coming across while playing the game. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to the Steam folder. Under library section, select the game that you have downloaded or facing problem. Right click on it, select properties, go to the installed files tab, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. After this, launch the game and try to play it and check if the same issue occurs again. Next is to modify launch option. Again go to Steam, select the game, right click on it, select properties, and here under general you can modify the launch option. Simply type -dx11 and now check if it's working, or simply type dx12 and then see if it's working, or many experts also suggest to write -windowed and then check if this solution works for you. If not, the next solution is to check graphic settings on the game. So you should check whether the graphic settings are properly set up or not on the game, like resolution or texture quality, because this somewhere impacts the game and lead to crashing or other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. You should check if there is any unnecessary background task going on, as this also impacts the game while playing. So for that, click on Task Manager, go to the processes and check if any such kind of app is running that is of no use. Simply select the game or app, right click on it and click on End Task option. This will close the unnecessary app that is running in the background, and hopefully you can play the game smoothly. The next solution is to install Visual C++. In the description box, I have provided the link. Go through it, open it on your browser and download and install the Visual C++ as per your PC requirements, and then try to play the game. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search bar, click or search for View Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click on Settings option. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, you have to click on Change option. Remove this tick mark and then tick mark on Custom Size. Now, right here in the initial size, you should write here 24576, and in the maximum size you should write 49152 if you are having 16 GB RAM. So write here 24576 and in the maximum write 49152 and then click on OK, and after this check if this solution works for you. If not, it's time to disable in-game overlays. What you have to do is simply go to Steam, select the game under library section, click on properties, go to general, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Option is enabled. Simply disable it and then try to play the game and check if it is working. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, simply go to search bar, search for graphic settings. Here you need to add the app that you are facing problem. When the app is added, simply click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, it will be selected as let Windows decide. You need to click here and select high performance, and after doing these changes, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, the last method suggested is to reinstall the game. So simply go to Steam, under library select the game, right click on it, go to the manage option and then click on uninstall, and then finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. Now restart your PC and then again install the game and try to play the game and check if it's working now. So all these solutions hopefully are best and should resolve the problem. So don't forget to like and hype this video. Thank you.